Hello, students. Hope you all are fine and healthy. We are reading second chapter of chemistry, that is matter around us pure. So today we will discuss about solute, solvent and solution. First we will read about solute. The substances which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution, they are called solute. Generally, the substances that are present in less amount in a solution, they are considered as solute, and the particles of solute are also called dispersed particles. Generally, the solutes are solid, but the liquids and gases can also be solutes. Now we will read about solvent. The liquid in which solute is dissolved, they are known as solvent. Generally, the substances that are present in large amount, they are considered as solvent. Solvent are also known as dispersion medium. Water is the most common solvent. It is also known as aqueous solvent. लाइक शुगर सॉल्यूशन में शुगर डिज़ोल्व होती है वाटर में, तो शुगर क्या हुई सॉल्यूट एंड वाटर क्या हुआ सॉल्वेंट. सिमिलरली टिंक्चर ऑफ आयोडीन में आयोडीन क्या है सॉल्यूट है और अल्कोहल क्या है सॉल्यूशन. टिंक्चर ऑफ आयोडीन इज़ अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ आयोडीन in alcohol. Brass is a solution of zinc in copper. Water is an aqueous solvent. So the solutions prepared by dissolving solute in water, they are known as aqueous solution. Water एक aqueous solvent है. जब हम water में किसी solute को dissolve करते हैं तो उसको aqueous solution कहते हैं. Solvents like alcohol, acetone, carbon disulfide, etc. are called non-aqueous solvent. So the solutions prepared by dissolving solutes in organic liquids or solvents, it is called non-aqueous solutions. जब हम किसी सॉल्यूट को ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट जैसे कि अल्कोहल एसीटोन वगैरह में डिज़ोल्व करते हैं तो उसको नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. नाउ वी विल रीड अबाउट सॉल्यूशंस. सॉल्यूशंस आर homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. It has a uniform composition, means all parts of solution will have same amount of solute and solvent. सॉल्यूशंस टू और मोर सब्सटेंसेस के होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर होते हैं. सॉल्यूशंस का एक यूनिफॉर्म कंपोजिशन होता है, मतलब कि हर पार्ट में इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट रहेगा. लाइक इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन, तो सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में हर एक पार्ट में इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर और सॉल्ट अवेलेबल होगा. Examples are salt solutions, metal alloys like brass. It is a mixture of copper and zinc. Air, which is a solution of gases, soda water. And soft drinks like Coca-Cola and Pepsi, etc. Salt and sugar solutions are also known as true solutions because the particles of salt and sugar are mixed so properly with water we cannot distinguish between them. Only soluble substances forms true solutions. जिन सॉल्यूशंस में हम पार्टिकल्स को डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर सकते एक दूसरे से, उनको ट्रू सॉल्यूशंस भी कहते हैं. सिर्फ सॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस ही ट्रू सॉल्यूशंस फॉर्म करते हैं. Molecular solutions are those solutions in which the size of dissolved particles is equal to the size of a molecule. True solutions are also called molecular solution. जिन सॉल्यूशन में डिज़ोल्व पार्टिकल्स का साइज मॉलिक्यूल के बराबर होता है उनको मॉलिक्यूलर सॉल्यूशंस भी कहते हैं. Now we will learn properties of a solution. So solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more substances. The size of solute particles is very small. It is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. And the particles of a solute cannot be seen with a microscope. हम सॉल्यूशन के पार्टिकल्स को माइक्रोस्कोप से भी नहीं देख सकते हैं क्योंकि जो पार्टिकल्स का साइज़ होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा होता है. एंड द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ सॉल्यूट कैन नॉट बी सेपरेटेड बाय फिल्ट्रेशन. द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ सॉल्यूट do not get separated on keeping. The solutions are very stable. अगर हम सॉल्यूशन को रख दें तो उसके पार्टिकल्स सेपरेट नहीं होंगे. A true solution does not scatter light because the size of the particles are very small. The light does not get reflected, so the path of light is not visible. If we will pass light through the true solution and we will try to see the path of light from the side, the path of the light will not be visible because the particles in a solution are very small and they does not reflect the light. Now we will read about types of solution. There are 5 types of solution. First one is solution of solid in a solid, like metal alloys, brass, which is a solution of zinc and copper. It is prepared by mixing molten copper with molten zinc and cooling them. Since zinc and copper both are solid, so this is an example of solution of solid in a solid. Second type is solution of solid in a liquid. It is the most common type of solution. Example, salt solution, sugar solution, and tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine is a solution of iodine which is a solid in alcohol which is a liquid. Next type is solution of liquid in a liquid. Example, alcohol in water, vinegar which is a solution of acetic acid in water. Next type is solution of gas in a liquid. Example, soda water and soft drinks. They contains carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water. जैसे कि सोडा वाटर और सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक लाइक पेप्सी एंड कोको कोला, इनमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस डिसॉल्व होती है वाटर में. सो दे आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ gases in a liquid. Next type is solution of gas in a gas. Air is a solution of oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, nitrogen, water vapor, etc. In air, all the gases are dissolved in nitrogen. So nitrogen is a solvent in a air and the other gases are solute because 78% of air is nitrogen. So nitrogen is present in large amount and we know that the large amount is solvent and the smaller quantity is called solute. Thanks for watching. In case you have any query, please write it in the comment box.